Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating a nude makeup look that can be done easily, and it's going to be with products that are easily available and also under rupees 500. And so we're gonna start the makeup firstly with some moisturizer. You can also use a primer here. For foundation, I'm going to use the Lakme Lightweight Foundation. It's a liquid foundation. This is very nice and easy on the skin, and it blends really nicely. Also, it's very affordable. Also, whenever you apply foundation, make sure you don't forget your neck, because that would make a difference. And then moving on to the concealer, here I'm using the Swiss Beauty concealer, and putting it on my dark circles, little bit whatever I have, and also on my brow bones and little bit around the mouth, and to cover all of that. You can also use a color corrector if you need that, but I just skip that step. To set everything in place, I'm using this powder from Faces Canada. This one is really good, and it does its job quite well. I'm going to be using this brown shade from the Chickaboo palette of Swiss Beauty, and use this as an eyeshadow today because we are going for the nude look. So I'm going to be using the shade of brown, and this is a very good shade. I really like it. You should also try. And also putting the shadow on my lower lash line because this just gives a more natural and finished look to your eyes. Now I'm gonna be using this kajal and just lining my eyes, because this gives a more structure and depth to my eyes, and yeah, this just makes your makeup look more nice. And then I'm just gonna be smudging that, and also using a black eyeshadow and blending it all over my eyelids and over the crease area. That gives a very good look to your eyes. After that, I'm gonna be filling my eyebrows with the same shade of brown, and you can use like shade whatever is nearby to your hair color. By the way, this kajal is from Lakme, and also I'm going to be underlining my eyes with this kajal, and this just gives like such a classy look. I just really like it. And also a little bit of smudging I'll be doing with the brush, and this just gives a more natural finish. Then I will be blushing my face, and make sure you blush a little bit over your nose also, so that it looks more natural. Now it's time to contour your face to give it a very finished look, and yeah, it's very important. Contouring is very important, especially if you're doing the nude look. It just gives more of a structure to your face. Finally, we're gonna be putting on some highlighter from the same palette of Swiss Beauty, and because highlighting is very important. And then this Mars mascara I'm gonna be using to create some volume over my lashes, and this mascara is really good. I've been using this from a long time. And then also whatever is left, I'm gonna be setting my eyebrows with that. Finally guys, I'm gonna be using this brown lipstick from Revlon. I had it from a really long time. It's almost finished right now, as you can see, but you can also use a dark lipstick if you want, like dark brown shade, but for now I'm gonna be using this lighter one. And this is how the look is done. It's really easy, as you can see, and it's complete now. Let me know if you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram, and definitely try this makeup out. Thanks for watching. Bye.